This is Mago Technical and Vocational Training College in Vihiga County, where Grekkon Limited has partnered with the institution to build a state-of-the-art greenhouse. Designed for both training and food production, this greenhouse is a practical learning space for students pursuing agriculture. One standout feature is the polythene sheet laid across the floor, used to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain cleanliness. You'll also notice the neatly arranged planting pots, offering an organized and efficient growing system. In another section, large drums are in place, used to heat the soil for sterilization, an essential step to eliminate pathogens and boost crop health.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Henry Zavani. I'm an agronomist. This is one of the greenhouses that Grekkon has helped us construct. So here we are doing tomatoes, and as you can see, we are doing them in pots. Before that, you can see we have a poison down here. The reason why we plant in pots is because we have had issues with the bacterial wilt. And so we first sterilize the soil. After sterilizing the soil, you have to put it in a pot to avoid the contamination.
Yep, my name is Luma Josephat from Mago Technical and Vocational College. Here today we have members from Grekkon, which have been serving as greenhouses for quite some time. The greenhouse, we use it for training, both the student and the community. We have projects that are different. We have tomatoes, we have capsicum, we have cucumbers. So the project is really good for training and support for food income, because what's involved in the selling them to the community and the people from the markets. Grekkon have been with us for many years. They have been very supportive in terms of installation, in terms of training, in terms of support. Yeah, so I can recommend anybody to use Grekkon company for greenhouse services and installation.
This project is not just a structure. It's a hub of innovation, learning, and sustainable food production.